You'll have love at first sight with the 2022 Volkswagen Passat. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This family-friendly Volkswagen Passat has the interior space and passenger amenities to make the journey relaxing and comfortable for everyone on board. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, touchscreen infotainment system, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, backup camera. Choose fun. Get behind the wheel of this spirited Passat. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.